Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily enable cookies in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you open it, you'll be redirected to this new window. Okay? After that, go to the left side, the upper right side of your screen and locate the three dots here next to your user account. Okay, click that to see more and scroll down to find settings. Once you find settings, just tap that to open. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at the settings, look at the left side of it and you can see here privacy and security next to autofill and passwords. Just hit the privacy and security to see more. Okay, once you click that, you will see here privacy and security and it has this different options. And since we'll be enabling the cookies in Google Chrome, let's go to the third option, which is third-party cookies. Okay, here, if you want to enable it, just go with block third-party cookies in incognito mode. Okay, so in that manner, we are simply enabling the cookies in our Google Chrome. Okay, it's not recommended to block third parties cookies because site can use cookies to I mean it will harm your browsing activity and might as well you will be infected. There is a chance that you'll be infected by any virus or pop-ups in your Google Chrome or might be in your computer as well. So make sure that this block third-party cookies in incognito mode is on and in that manner we are enabling the cookies. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.